This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Kim Hairston. Newer home in East Ocean View, just blocks from the Chesapeake Bay. 3 stories with open floor plan, kitchen, dining, living area on 2nd floor with guest bedroom and bath and luxury vinyl plank flooring, LVP, throughout. Kitchen fixtures, stainless appliances and opens to spacious back deck. Other bedrooms with guest bath plus primary bedroom with ensuite on carpeted 3rd floor. Primary bedroom features a private balcony. Attached 2-car garage on ground floor with a huge storage area in back. No smoking inside. Available now. 2 dogs max allowed with additional $300 pet deposit per pet and $35 per month pet rent. Sorry, no cats. For more information, review the details below or contact Kim Hairston at 757-481-8480.